Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends. And on this video we're in Barrow-in-Furness and we're visiting the spectacular Abbey House Hotel. Abbey House Hotel is on Abbey Road in Barrow-in-Furness on the entrance to the town. It was built in 1914 and its principal purpose was to host the managing director and the guests of the town's biggest employer, Vickers Shipbuilding. The hotel is set in 14 acres of garden, and behind it you will find Furness Abbey, which is where the hotel gets its name, and there's an entrance at the back of the hotel directly from Furness Abbey to the Abbey House Hotel and Oscar's restaurant, which is open to the public and we'll show you a bit later on. Now in the 1950s this was acquired by the local council and it was later turned into an old age people's home which fell in disrepair in the 1980s until it was lovingly restored into this 4-star hotel, which is popular with people getting married. And on this video I'm going to show you into the bedroom I was staying in, and this cost me around £95 for bed and breakfast, and it was a Friday night, and some beautiful wrought iron gates on the outside. And as we go into the hotel itself, love is in the air. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Well, we're heading down the corridor now, about to enter into my room. Lots of pictures on the wall of the local area. The hotel has 59 rooms with different categories, and some of those being suites. You can stay in the gamekeeper's cottage for around £92 per night, and we'll put more details in the description box below. I was staying in this contemporary room. Let's have a look inside. And as we go in, you'll see beautiful lighting and a very comfy bed. I've got to say I had a lovely night's sleep. And we have a look around. I like the colours, the browns. And there's the tea and coffee making facilities down there, which you can lift up and pop on the top. Nice widescreen TV. And another look back at the bed. Very warm and cosy, and a cupboard there with some extra bedding, an ironing board, and a very modern looking bath with shower over the top. Quite a big bath as well. As you can see, the tea and coffee making facilities there. I've got them out on top, and there's a luxury hot chocolate, which was very nice, and a complimentary biscuit, and a selection of different teas and coffees to be enjoyed. And the TV does work, and plenty of places to plug your phone next to the bed as well, and a little shelf. Into the bathroom we go again. Quick look at some of the toiletries there. Very nice. There were some further things in one of the drawers as well, amenity kits and what have you. And I'm now in bed, cozying down. Love that lamp. Let's have a look at some of the other different rooms that they have here. And the following images I've taken from the official website. We'll put details down below. They have some suites, spring suite, Craven Suite, which we've seen. This is Princess Suite. The Contempo is in the newest part of the hotel, which was added on some years ago. And I was in a double Contempo room. Which was above the function room, which is the Cavendish Suite. And let's now go into Oscar's Bar and Restaurant. Breakfast here was served from 7 o'clock in the morning until the last sitting at 10:15. Beautiful lighting, and this is a lovely room. We'll have a look in the breakfast bar. There is a selection here of cold buffet breakfast items, banana chips, lots of different cereals, yogurts, and there are meats, and they do bring you a drink, as many drinks as you like, and this is the full English breakfast. And the stairs there going down to the Cavendish Suite. The Abbey House Hotel is an award-winning wedding venue. You can get married in the grounds, of course, subject to the weather, or in the Cavendish Suite or the Great Hall. This is a Grade 2 listed building, and a quick look at the gym there. And down the corridors, beautifully decorated. I've got to say, I did enjoy staying here. Have you stayed here, and what did you think of it? Please do leave your comments below. As we walk back through towards the main bar, the Abbott's Bar, through to Oscar's Restaurant, and the stairs again down to the Cavendish Suite, which can be used for the wedding reception, the wedding, or for conferences. It is a conference facility, this as well. And we'll have a final look around the Abbey House Hotel in Barrow-in-Furness, just 45 minutes away from the English Lake District and very close to the town of Ulverston, and of course Barrow with its beaches and dock museum, and don't forget the Abbey, which is just behind the hotel itself. And until next time, we hope you've loved watching this. Bye for now.